Hello everyone, so now I'm going to discuss example 25C. Based on the definition stated in 36b, the modulus of x less than equals to a can be defined as x is greater and equals to negative a and less than equals to a. So refer to the question 25C. We will have x over 5 plus x, which is less than equals to 2, greater equals to negative 2. That will be our definition. So now I'm going to split the situation, and we will have x over 5 plus x greater equals to negative 2. Definition n. Next, we will have the second part, which will be x over 5 plus x less than equals to 2. Now I'm going to focus on the left hand side. I'm going to transfer the negative 2 from the right to the left. At the same time, I'm going to equate the denominator. So x plus 2 bracket 5 plus x over 5 plus x greater equals to 0. Next, I'm going to expand x plus 10 plus 2x over 5 plus x greater equals to 0. Simplify 3x plus 10 over 5 plus x greater equals to 0. Since this is the simplest form, so it's the moment to identify the sign. So in this case, we are going to select the positive. Next step, we are going to split the situation. Do remember to assume always positive. So 3x plus 10 greater equals to 0. 5 plus x only greater than 0. Equals to 0 is not allowed because 5 plus x is the denominator. Finally, x will be greater equals to negative 10 over 3. X will be greater than negative 5. Next, I'm going to illustrate the situation in the number line. Locate the value where we have negative 5 on the left, negative 10 over 3 on the right. X is greater than negative 5. X is greater and equals to negative 10 over 3. Assign the negative sign in the empty space because this is a positive real number line. Multiply the sign and we will have positive on the left. In the middle we will have negative. Finally we have positive. Now we have to identify the region based on the sign. It's a positive sign, so this will be the region. Finally our answer would be negative infinity until negative 5, where negative 5 is not included, union negative 10 over 3 until positive infinity, Now I'm going to discuss the right hand side. Again, repeat the process. I'm going to transfer the 2 from the right to the left so that the right hand side equals to 0. At the same time, I'm going to equate the denominator. So x minus 2 bracket 5 plus x over 5 plus x less than equals to 0. Then I'm going to expand. After that, I'm going to simplify. So x minus 10 minus 2x over 5 plus x less than equals to 0. Finally, we have a negative x negative 10 over 5 plus x, which is less than equals to 0. Since this is a simplest form, so now is the moment to identify the sign. In this case, we are having negative. Next, I'm going to split the situation and I'm going to assume it is always positive. So negative x negative 10 greater and equals to 0, but not for 5 plus x. because it is a denominator. So finally, x will be less than equals to negative 10 and x will be greater than negative 5. So now I'm going to illustrate the situation in a real number line. So where we will have negative 10 on the left, negative 5 on the right. Then circle, x is less than equals to negative 10. Another level, x is greater than negative 5. Kindly fill up the empty space with a negative sign because this is a real positive real number line. So finally, we have to multiply the sign and we will have negative on the left. In the middle will be positive followed by negative. Next, we are going to identify the interval or the range or the region by referring to the sign. So we are going to select the negative side. So here will be our answer. So finally, I'm going to express my answer in the interval form where we will have negative infinity until negative 10 union negative 5 until positive infinity where negative 5 is not included. Based on the definition n, and then now I'm going to combine the both inequalities to find the answer or the range. So now I'm going to begin with the left hand side where we will have negative 10 followed by negative 5. Finally, we will have negative 10 over 3. I'm going to illustrate the left hand side interval. So we will have negative 5 as an empty circle and negative 10 over 3 as a dense circle in the same level. So x is less than negative 5 and x is greater equals to negative 10 over 3. Next, I'm going to illustrate the interval on my right hand side. So we have negative 10 as a dense circle, empty circle for negative 5. So the green color will be another level. So x is less than equals to negative 10. X is greater than negative 5. So based on the definition n, meaning that we are going to intersect. So where is the intersection region? So based on the diagram, here is the intersection. There is no intersection in the middle. And finally, we have another answer on the right hand side. So our final answer would be negative infinity until negative 10 union begins with the negative 10 over 3 until positive infinity. So here we are, and thanks for watching.